Ever wonder why we yawn, even when we're not tired? Most people think yawning means you're sleepy or bored, but there's more to it than that. One theory says yawning helps cool down your brain, kind of like a fan for your mind when it's overheating. Another theory? Yawning boosts oxygen levels and removes extra carbon dioxide from your blood like a natural refresh button. And here's the weirdest part: yawning is contagious. Just seeing or hearing about it can make you do it. Did you just yawn? Let me know in the comments. And now you know, yawns aren't just boredom signals, they're brain hacks.